What's the meaning of cock-tease? Cock-tease. Cock-tease.
Cock-tease. Cock-tease. Cock-tease is a derogatory term used to describe someone who leads another person on sexually without actually intending to follow through. This behavior can be intentional or unintentional, but it often results in frustration and disappointment for the other person involved, who may feel misled or used. In some cases, the label cock-tease is used to shame or blame the person exhibiting this behavior, rather than addressing the underlying issues that might be causing it. Ultimately, this type of behavior can damage trust and communication in relationships and should be avoided.